Hello everyone, let me show you how to make this delicious, low-carb and keto-friendly stuffed portabella mushrooms, Philly cheesesteak style. I paired it with some green beans and some G. Hughes steak sauce. Let's get into it. All you're going to need for this recipe is some thinly sliced ribeye steak, some portabella mushroom caps, and 1 medium onion. After washing your portabella caps, you're going to need to clean these ribs out. They don't taste too good and they're a little bitter. Not difficult to clean, just use a spoon and clean all of it out. I sliced 1 medium yellow onion and we're going to place that into a skillet that's already been preheated. Listen to that sizzle. So let them cook down until they are translucent and we're going to add it with the meat mixture. Here is your thinly sliced ribeye steak. Cook it down, drain off any grease. And what we're going to do is we're going to add it to those cooked onions. Again, add all of it in and we're going to give it a really good mix. We're going to add these to our portabella caps. We're going to cook these in the air fryer. Why? Because it's the easiest way to cook them. So we're going to fill up our portabella caps with our Philly cheesesteak mixture. And we're going to add a slice of provolone cheese. We're going to put it into the air fryer. Set your air fryer to 400 degrees. I cooked mine actually for 8 minutes and look how golden brown they came out. That provolone cheese cooked up really well. And I hope that you'll try this recipe. Well, that's it for today. In 2 minutes I showed you how easy it is to make this provolone stuffed portabella mushroom Philly cheesesteak style. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and share so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Share it with your friends. It's easy. This is keto, folks. It's easy to lose weight.